सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक सपोर्ट चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
All of us live in a world that views time as a series of units, a finite amount of pieces to be put together. We see it a little differently. For us, time ebbs and flows in the most natural of ways. For us, time is a gradient. It all started when visionary designer Hans Donner started to wonder why nobody had ever tried to design time. While in Paris, he envisioned the passage of time in a different way, as the transition from dark to light. He began to sketch frantically, until finally, he found it. 3 concentric circular gradients, one ring for hours, minutes, and seconds. A concept that has since been called the first design of time was brought to life. With ONNE, we have set our sights on the horizon. This device gives you a new, fluid, peaceful way of dealing with time. But it was only when the smartwatch craze began that we knew our ONNE could become a reality. With cutting-edge technology and beautiful AMOLED displays, we have finally realized an aspirational dream of humankind, a time with no limits. Modern smartwatches suffer from the black mirror effect, characterized by the generally blank display. And rather than simplifying people's lives, they complicate them with clutter. ONNE does away with all of that. It features the always-on, customizable color display that is unlike anything you have ever seen. Crisp and calming, ONNE brings you into the future without weighing you down. It has taken many years and the hard work of inspired people to bring this extraordinary watch to life. We invite you to join our timepiece revolution and redefine the way you look at time. Add a measure of tranquility to your life by choosing the ONNE watch, a timepiece designed to give you peace in time. Please, back us today.
That is amazing!
That's cheap, man.
I cannot believe that!
Why do we love to travel? To explore new places, to experience new things. All this awakens in us a sense of freedom. We're Alpaca, and we make city and travel gear. After our last campaign, you spoke and we listened to you, our backers. Following months of R&D, we're proud to introduce Sling Pro. It's an innovative compact travel bag made from the toughest materials we could find. It's so versatile, anyone can use it. And can even be converted into a camera bag. Camera equipment isn't cheap, and pickpocketing is at an all-time high. The Sling Pro is equipped with thoughtful anti-theft features, designed to protect your gear from prying eyes. And if that weren't enough, it's also lined with a slash guard material that is 5 times tougher than steel, and is also used in bulletproof vests. Created for the 21st century, It's equipped with an integrated external USB port, so you can charge your phone on the move. Made for travel, it bolsters a convenient passport pocket in the hidden back compartment and an integrated transport card pocket in the front. The removable strap is fused with a quick-release magnetic buckle and can be easily adjusted while on the go. It's lightweight, so it doesn't hold you down. Weatherproof zippers and materials will keep your gear dry no matter the weather. The main compartment comes with modular dividers, allowing you to endlessly configure the space. Functional organization can be found throughout the bag. It adapts to any situation. Designed for life on the go. Go Sling Pro by Alpaca.
Hey indie backer, you might remember the Smart Belt 1.0 from last year when we broke all crowdfunding records and became the most funded fashion accessory in history. We are back with the Smart Belt 2.0. You might wonder, what on earth is there to innovate on a belt? Or what the craze could be about? We've innovated not one, but a couple of things. Firstly, we replaced the 5-hole system with an infinitely adjustable 32-step track system. A perfectly comfortable fit, regardless of how your waist changes during the day, and it sure does. A regular belt has 5 holes, 1 inch apart. Our track system has 32 steps, 1/5 of an inch apart. That's 500% more adjustability and twice the adjustment range. Imagine having a big meal and not having to feel tight by just clicking your belt, instead of going one hole up and having to hold your pants up with your hands. Have a run anytime. Make your jeans feel like a tracksuit. Take some pressure off, just how much you need to, during a long meeting or whenever. Our backers say they never knew their old belt was so uncomfortable until they got to wear the Smart Belt. One other problem we solved is wear and tear. Our staple innovation is adding a Kevlar core to our leather belt. Kevlar is renowned for being bulletproof. It makes our belt soft and light, but indestructible.